The Fisherman and the Turtle. One day, a fisherman caught a turtle in his net. The turtle pleaded, "Please let me go. I'll reward you." The fisherman laughed. "What can a turtle give me?" he asked, but he decided to release it out of kindness. The next day, the fisherman found a shiny pearl near his boat. The turtle appeared and said, "This is my gift for your kindness. Good deeds are always rewarded." The fisherman was amazed and realized the value of compassion. Moral: kindness and compassion always bring unexpected rewards. Thanks for watching.